It's alive. Interesting, interesting. Oh my god, I can't wait to see this person. Looks freaky. At this cart here, I'm gonna guess there's like a skeleton puppet here, because they always have it in this cart. El Cerco de la Muerte. Entrada. Ooh, okay, I like this. I'm pretty sure this is like at the entrance. It's gonna greet us. So basically what they're setting up here is kind of like a mini gauntlet thing at like the end of the scare zone. Could be pretty cool, pretty interesting. Looking like Mike Wazowski's cousin. Crazy. Oh, it's all veiny. Chico Rata. Got some more signs here. And then we got like this bat vampire lady. It's cool. Maestro de Ceremonias. Ooh, looks cool. Now this one-eyed lady. This prop always appears every now and then in the scare zones. Seems to be like some kind of snake lady. Medusa. Crazy. We got this art piece right here. La Bestia Cantante. I think this is the same bear from the past member shirt. Okay, so obviously these are going to be open and they're going to reveal something inside. Ooh, I'm excited to see what's in it. The pinhead Siamese twins. That'd be cool. Ooh, La Cucarachas. Shout out to exterminators. This is cool. I really like this. It reminds me of like those old relics of like the monkey torsos with like the fish tails. That's cool. Ooh. Hard to see with the sun. Stupid sun. We got a bunch of like ocean themed props. More mermaid tails. Pretty cool. Blood Bog. Spider creature over here looking like Predator's cousin. Got like these bayou themed props. Look, Mr. Krabs. Ooh. Imagine there's like another giant spider puppet there. Got like a little rat. A giant dead rat. And then this thing right here. Hard to see with the bright sun. Oh my goodness. Beware, Blood Bog.
And the rest of the cast and crew of Season 5 of Hacks on receiving a record-breaking 24 Emmy nominations. The most number of nominations for a single season of a comedy in the history. Grab your thunder, buddy. Guess what they were used for? Yep, Season 2 of the live-action tent series on Peacock. Is being prepared for Terror Tram, one of the attractions included with Halloween Horror Nights, happening on select nights in September. Here's a restored Glamour Tram. When we ultimately got our trams, this is what the first generation of trams looked like. It's more that is one of the first trams. And here's some examples of picture cars. Again, that's any vehicle on the set that's going to be seen by the camera. So, we saw the time machine. We know that in the future the time machine flies, as does that flying Muggle Ford Anglia there from the Warner Brothers production. Yes, even our Hollywood sign ahead of us there, our scale replica of the Hollywood sign, not escape. It's been rethemed for Halloween Horror Nights. Behind the temporary walls and fences is a motel that features, which has been loaned out for Terror Tram. Folks, I think this tram just became the Terror Tram. Yeah, he's reaching for the knife. Alright, so almost as scary as Norman is Art the Clown. Arthur Plan has taken over this next area here, the spectacular crash site from the Paramount DreamWorks production of Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. Sticking with the theme of the aliens, flying aliens, in a few moments we're going to be driving through the Jupiter's claim sets. Jupiter's claim sets used to... I'm going to bring on Academy Award winner Jordan Peele.
Movie magic only happens when a team...
Universal Destinations and Experiences, or UDX. That's 9 parks. Also, a Universal Horror Unleashed in Las Vegas.
Did I say we have 9 parks? I meant 9 so far.